We're here with Andrea Vergombello, VPP responsible here at Rossa Design Team. Andrea, you were on board today. How can you describe us the feeling on being on board?
Yeah, it was a good day at the end because it was cruising speed from 8 to 15 knots maximum, so perfect condition to test. And we were two designers on board to test, to look especially at the foil. That is our focus. And it was good to switch from one side to the other, check the two foil, the new one, the old one, and see the differences.
Also, considering the cameras on the new wing,
yeah.
Are you looking at something specifically, for example, validating your simulation, or?
Yeah, every time that you put a new foil in the water, basically you want to see also something about the flow that could be on the upper surface and the bottom surface. So you need camera to check the boats, the configuration, and with the data from the boat speed, wind speed, so you can record all the information that you need.
And can you tell us how strong the limit is of ventilation or cavitation, generally for wings? And
yeah, basically you need to face this problem. Especially cavitation is a sort of wall that you need to try to postpone as much as possible, but at one stage you cannot build a foil that is super good in cavitation and performance good also in other conditions. So it's a trade-off between performance and cavitation limit.
From an engineering perspective, being an engineer, how important is for you and for your colleagues of the design team to be on board and really feel what you guys simulate and design?
Yes. I think being behind a computer basically is always difficult to understand all the dynamics that you can feel on the water. So it's good to be there, to feel the sensation, and also in terms of all the dropping and all the condition that you can test. Basically, you can really feel all the motion and what's happened on the water, also on the foil.
And Andrea, in terms of optimization, how hard is it to find a compromise between, for example, straight line, maneuver performance, and takeoff, for example?
Yeah.
How hard is it to find a wing candidate which really performs well? And
yeah, basically you need to consider all the condition, and if you have to design something that is pure performance, straight line, for sure is something different compared to something that needs to perform good straight line maneuver also, and in light wind and strong breeze with waves. So you need to combine more or less all the condition and be sure that you can cover the different conditions.
Within your department, do you use VPP-based foil design, or how are the wings? Which optimization techniques would you consider using?
VPP is a part of the loop that you need to follow to design a wing, but for sure it's not the only one. You need to optimize the foil also without going through an entire VPP loop, and so it could be a basic also way to, from a section point of view to the 3D point of view, and after that pass into the VPP.
Last one. Can you describe for us the interface between you as a designer, as an engineer, or your department, and the sailor? How important is the feedback you receive from them?
Yes, basically we, in terms of VPP especially, we provide targets to the sailor in order to test this on the water, in terms of basic true wind angle, boat speed, cant angle, and the trim of the boat. And basically the answer should be that we need to be close enough to the target that we provide in order to be sure that our tools are up and running in the correct way.